guys, in today's video we'll open Play-Doh. So there's like blush, gold, and silver. Here's the side. So wonderful, guys. Mom, I'm trying to show the box. And then here's like the bag. It's like breathing fire, breathing dragon. I almost said ice breathing. Maybe because I had some ice cream. What can I do? I don't want so. Come on, box. Yeah. Mama. Mommy. Here it is, finally at the box. I bet this is like really soft. Like here it is. I haven't played with Play-Doh in forever. I did it at school, but it was just an experiment. This is like a silverish blue, like the silver, but it's more like silver, like metallic. These are like supposed to be like sparkly, as you can tell. And right here is not really metallic. It's supposed to be like metallics, so you can mostly make anything. You're not going to delivery snake. I can make a very good snake. Let's try these out. It's always hard to get the caps off, lid off. Oh yes, this is soft, like so soft. Like you guys need to get this. We also got this from Target. So here it is, guys. I only gotta do one of each, because I know how it's gonna feel like with each one of them. And you can like see through it, so you know like kind of like what it looks like. I haven't played Play-Doh in so long. Now let's do this one. The blush, like this blush one, like the pinkish blush one, is really pretty and fun to play with. This is like rose gold. It's supposed to be like rose gold and like a blush at the same time. 1 second, I think I dropped some Play-Doh. I do not want to move my body. Try. And you do not want to try. And guys, do not leave out Play-Doh for starters, because it will get very dry. And then you can't play with it, because then you have to throw it away. But I only got this because I haven't played with Play-Doh in forever, and my Play-Doh's kind of like old. Because I had it for years and years and years and years and years. Well, not really years, but at least 3, I think. Yeah. Squish it in there. Squish. I love to squish it. It's a fun. Now let's try this one. Let's try the blue. It always has a weird smell. Okay. Here it is. I don't think I really want to play with this one, but I don't really care. Always keep your Play-Doh in the containers if you don't want to use it. I mean, Play-Doh is always really fun to play with. So you should probably like keep it in your house, like if you're bored and like there's stuff like your like phone or something is charging, like your tablet. Because I have a tablet and sometimes I play on my mom's phone. So this is just like gold. It's supposed to be gold. Let's see what I can make. I will make a snake for you guys. Let's show you how talented I am. Okay, this is starting to look like poop. So, this is how you make a snake. I know how to make a snake. It's kind of hard to do with this. So okay, you have to make a better snake, guys. I have to make a better snake than this. Because it's starting to look like poop. I have to like kind of like get all the cracks. Oof. Wait, I just opened. No, this won't work. I don't know what I'm supposed to make now. I don't really like mixing my Play-Doh unless it's like kind of like old, you know? Only if like it's a color that I don't really like and make it into a prettier color. My hands are shiny. I got very shimmery hands. So it's like perfume on your hands, but different. So you guys would love this. I mean, who wouldn't want this? Like, this is a very good, and only for $9 at Target. But the prices might change, so get it now. This beautiful Play-Doh. And that's all for today, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to punch that like button. And please, take the haters out the window. Bye, guys. Peace.